Welcome to Monday evening, late afternoon, whatever time is it you feel like it is. I had some items come in. The one I'm going to do tonight was my replacement desoldering station. And it took a very circuitous route around the world. It started out in Hong Kong. I got it off AliExpress. It was the best price actually for it. I think the Amazon ones were at least $100 more than, including shipping, than the AliExpress. So it was a bit of markup, and they're just coming from China anyway. Well, Hong Kong, which is like a illegitimate child of China. So let's unpack it and have a look at it. And first thing I'm going to do is just move the camera back, way back, and then we'll focus it a bit. There we go. So now we have room, and this is what the box looks like. Let's turn it around. There we go. You might have seen these on YouTube. I did a bunch of look at this. My other desoldering station, the AOYUE, it's not pumping well. And solder's always getting jammed up in the pipe and stuff like that. Even though I changed the filters and do all that sort of fun stuff, it's still not working very well. This one's supposed to have a really good pump. The only problem with these, only thing, they don't have any North American versions of the device. They're all for Europe or the UK. So they have three models basically. SS3 through on H, B, and E. And E is supposed to be for North America, and B is supposed to be Europe and or something like that, and H is like the UK or something like that. So this might actually have a power cord for that, but that's what that converter is for. Now I'm not 100% sure, because one of the things I looked at it this afternoon when the item came in, and let's just get all the stuff out first. Just going to move my mouse over, and a lot of flaky styrofoam in here. So, oh, it's not that heavy, at least. I thought it would be a little heavier. The AOU is heavier than this one is. So let's get all the styrofoam particles off here. Probably because I think the AOU is more metal than this one is. So we'll put it down. And there's the power cord in the bottom. And there's our wrong power cord, basically. Now, some places on the net said this had dual voltage. Other places said they didn't have dual voltage. So we're going to find out here in a moment. So, the styrofoam just goes everywhere. I'm going to have to get the vacuum out and clean it. So, this guy here, yes, this bag is literally coated in styrofoam and stuff. I'm just going to toss it in the bin right away. There. Okay, so yes, so we have, standard this, but not this. We need a little more brightness on our table. There we go. So we have this plug on it. Okay. Now, as I said, in here, when I just opened this up just to have a peek in it at work. Again, more styrofoam. They actually provided this North America conversion. So I'm wondering, and here is the nozzle thing, cleaners, filters, two sizes, one for the pipe and one for the unit itself, part of the stand, the gun, Bang, bang, you're dead. What else we got in here? Nothing. It is an empty box, so I will put it over here. Are we missing a part? Where's the base? I am missing a part. Let's find out. Did I miss something in the bag? In the box? Yes, I did. There's another box in here. Ooh, just that one had the weight in it. Let me get all the styrofoam off. Holy schmoly. Ah. You know, if Faraday and those guys way back then had styrofoam, boy, would they understand electricity a lot better. Not that Faraday was a slouch, by the way. No. People should read up on Faraday. He wasn't good at math, though. But he was really good at induction and current and magnetic fields. That's why we give him that name. What do you call it? Footnote in history. So here's our stand. That's all it's missing. So according to this, there is a screw in the back. And I need a screwdriver. There it is. So this goes in here. And we unscrew the screw a little bit. Like so. This goes into the base. Wow. I definitely will have to come around here with the vacuum cleaner this weekend. So let's screw our screw tight. There we go. So this goes into here. Okay. So that can go over here, and this box can go back here. So that's that, that's that, that's that. So this guy here is that piece, and this and this and this can go down here. And then we have the pads and the tips. Now, something curious about this manufacturer that makes these. I'll just take some stuff out here. I kind of like these filters better than the AUs. They're nicer. The tips are filled in. What you're supposed to do is heat them up till they're solid and pull the gun for the first time. Then these tips will empty out. So, and that's another thing too. In this one, compared to my IU, I can't even get that off. The whole barrel had to come apart just to get the whole tube out. I believe in this one, yeah, in this one, just the tip. So one of these tips is supposed to be smaller than the others. So it looks like in that order: large, medium, small. And they just fit on the tip of here, just like this. And you just put this back on, like so. And you screw it tight like that. I don't think you have to have it tighter than you. I'm going to just keep this little bag out, actually. So we need one of each of these filters for the moment. And they give you a couple of spare of these. Okay. Now, I was curious on the back of this what it says about the power supply. 220, 245, here's 90. So this gizmo here is crap. So there are two types of these gizmos out there. Okay, one like this one is just a plug converter. It's not a voltage changer, and this thing has a 220 to 240 volt requirement on it. Wow, there's a lot of styrofoam in here. Where's my little trash can here? We're gonna have to get all the styrofoam out of there first. Now they did say that the fan might be a little noisy on here. We'll find out in a moment. Oh man, it's all sticking to me. So we just have to get all this out. Now where's my pokey device? Let's get all this stuff out. Let's see if I can actually let go of it. You could have just put a piece of tape over this thing. That's what some manufacturers do for the plug-in. They just put a security tape on the backside, just say warning, you know, this is a high voltage section, blah blah blah. That's funny too. They put a marking for a fuse in here, but if I'm not mistaken, a correctly made this cord. No, it's the UK's version of this cord. Has the fuse in the cord. Maybe theirs is the E version. Sorry, the B version. There we go. Okay, so in order to operate this thing, we are going to need our... Ooh, come on, guys. Maybe I should ground myself so all static leaves my body. Hey, that works, actually. That's right, I'm kind of grounding myself against the item, and that works. So, let's put this over here. So, this is why we have the other item here. This guy. And before I break something, we're going to need this. So, I just need to move my rodent somewhere else. It's not technically a rodent. What do we got here? We got all these cords. These are all the soldering pencil cords. Let's just move this up here, so it doesn't get in the way, and this goes onto here, and you're supposed to set this for the voltage you want. So input or voltage, input voltage, so it's set for 110. Yeah, so this can be used in 2 different countries actually. Now this can come out here. Now this whole thing is narrower, so I can actually have this on the bench. You can't really see it well. I'm not going to move a camera for this. Like so. Okay, and then this cord, let's undo it. Well, it should fit into here. Yep. And it does. And then this. Oh, we don't need the extra one. They put one in there, so okay. Let's filter. There's an extra filter in here. So I'm going to put the extra big one out here out. Now, I didn't open this up yet, so there's a filter already in there too. So we don't actually need any of these filters. They will go into my soldering collection of spare parts. Now, this guy goes into here, like so. Screws into here, like so. This side of it goes into here, like so. Okay, so we slide this with its cords all going back there. Yeah, I got too many extension cords for different things back here. Yeah, that works. One more styrofoam. So then we need to unscrew this one. And all the cords. Let's just untangle them. There we go. Has that stinky factory smell on it. It'll go away. So we push the air cord onto the air end. There. And then this guy, it's keyed, by the way, so you don't, it's just like the soldering pencil, you can't get it wrong. Okay. So, if we turn on the master power, oh, the fan's not that bad. It's no worse than the AO. And this guy can go over there. And the desoldering thing can go over here. We'll just put it in here for a sec. So, let's see my cleaning tools. Oh, 3 sizes, too. Oh, that's nice. They have a little, so it's set for 160 at the moment. That is not good. Let's set it for 350. That's 350 Celsius, boys and girls, not that silly measurement system known as Fahrenheit. Yeah, you can see the end is solder is melting on the end. And it's clear now. Yeah, you can see the hole. So we're going to try this out and see how it performs. Because I happen to have an item that I screwed up last night and I want to try it out. So we don't need the knife and we don't need the screwdriver and we don't need a dumb dongle that's going to be useless. I'll just throw the dumb dongle over there. And okay, so these guys will be in the trash can. I don't need twist ties. But there's my cleaning gizmos. And they have a little roughness on it. So there's a small one. There's a large one and a medium one. I also have the older one too. This guy right here, the pokey tool. But we will see. Okay, so I put this button on the wrong side. So we're going to try. Except I can't see what I'm doing, so I need my goggles. So, first try of the new soldering pencil. Let's see how it works. I like the clear tube. That's pretty good. When dealing with through-hole stuff and it's all plated, you need to let the solder melt through the whole hole. Hey, that's really nice. I think it's a little better than the... Okay, so where's my little nose? Needle nose, William, not cutters. So let's see. I need to straighten these legs a little bit because it's hard to get this thing out. There we go. Not bad at all. Now we can put it in the right side and solder this thing later. So I'm going to actually bend a couple of these. Not bad at all. So, easy peasy. And I do like this stand over the other one. The other one always fell off the side. Every time. Now the nice thing about this unit, since I've got that voltage converter on it, I can turn the voltage converter off from the front, and I don't have to reach behind the back to turn this one off. So, let us just change the cords, and we'll move this. And this has a nice long, actually, cord. I just have to make sure it doesn't get in the way of everything. There we go. So that will go like that. That will go like that. There we go. If you're wondering, this is what we're looking at. There. Top right, second camera down. And there's soldering station, desoldering station. The noise isn't bad. I got the impression off the YouTube guy that one of the reviewers that it was really horrible. But it's no louder or softer than my audio was. And I can just now turn it off. And it looks like, let's check the cleaning tool. Which one is the right one? Is it this one? Yep. Oh yeah, nice and long. It even has a little stop thing here to prevent you from doing, see? And you can see the solder residue in there. Oh, I do like this a lot better. What they did in here is they depend more on the filter. The other one has a cone in here, and that cone was always getting plugged and everything like that. I think this design's a bit better. I'm told that the vacuum power on this thing is really good. Yeah, these cords need a bit of, how we say, break-in. But still, that's not bad. That'll do the job. Now, do we want to look at toy number 2? I don't consider that a toy. Well, yes. If it isn't a toy, it's no fun at all, right? Now, I'm going to work on this again, fix that in a moment. That, by the way, was the stupidest clock build I've ever seen. Like, we're talking 4 parts to solder type idea. Now, I had ordered from another thing from Hong Kong. It was my hologram. Now I got to put the mic down for just a sec. You might have seen this. Oops. You might have seen this on Linus's channel on Tech Tips. This is this cabinet. It's got the special lens in it. I believe it has Raspberry Pi in it. And then you use this software to convert photos and movies and stuff like that into a fake 3D-ish thing. So we are going to crack it open. We broke the seal. So what do we get in here? Your first person holographic display. Okay. Ooh, nice packing. Uh-huh. So that's the bag that comes in. You can carry it around to your friend's house. So what else is in here in the bottom? Ooh, a bunch of stuff. Okay, so we have a card. It says multiple ways to capture holograms, mobile device, panning shots, volumetric videos, Unity, Blender, Unreal. Okay. The obligatory cat. We always have to have a cat in here. Okay. Oh, let me just put this down on this side here for a sec. And what do we got here? Looking glass fact. Getting started with the looking glass portrait. Okay. Set up and viewing holograms. Okay, so it has a stand. Okay, so we'll need this. What's this? Looking Glass Factory. Okay. Oh, they have a Discord channel. Good. Logo. What else have we got in here? USB. And carrying strap. And what looks like to be an HDMI cable. Yes, a very thick one too. Wow, okay. So how many electrons does this need? So a cleaning cloth, of course. Oh, it's a very nice brick. Power supplies. Let's see, output 5 volts, 3 amps. 9 volts, 2.2 amps. 12 volts, 1.67 amps. Okay. It's a variable one. And we need this. So does this mean that this is this end and that's that end? I don't know. So let's put a bag here. And I'm not going to play with that pot. I'm going to just put those back in the box. We just need these. And we'll put our little box back together again. And we'll close the lid. This will have to be put back somewhere. It's safe. Okay. Oops. Forgot an item to put back in the box. Let us put back this part into the box. There we go. Okay. Let's have a look at what's in it. This thing I ordered, what is it? August or September of last year. Okay. Oops. It's not light, actually. Okay, what else is in here? Anything? Nope, just a carrying case. Okay. Let's see. That's under there. That's under there. Okay, yeah, sticky room. Okay, remove. Okay. It's folded like that. This is folded like this. This is folded like that. Aha. There we go. There we go. Yes, it's a very weird lens in here, in the mirror thingy. So there's a little... okay, so... Okay. And it says here... so... oh, interesting. It has a big camera mount, too. Oh, there we go. It's magnet. Okay. Oh, I see. You go like this. Okay. So they're asking for a little torque screwdriver? Or this just snaps on. No screwdriver. Oh, it's supposed to click. Okay. So we go like this. Okay. Does this come out? No. Oh, this way. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So we need power. Okay. Okay, so we need electrons from over there. Now they happen to have this connector here, which is USB-C, so I suspect it's like this. Okay, and then it's a little bit of this. Well, actually, I don't even have to go over there. I have got a bigger brick right here I can use. Wow. Ah, there it is. In fact, I don't even have to use this cable. It's USB-C, so I just need my other USB-C off the table here. No, not that one. Where's the one with the power in it? This one has... two of these. One of these. This one's too short. We do maybe need this power. I can't even see it. I gotta change the batteries in here. Yeah, I definitely gotta change the batteries in here. That's better. There we go. It's plugged in. Okay, so then this goes into here. And we have two side controls. So what is back, forward, play, pause, LED indicator, on, off, edge lighting? Okay. So what happens with edge lighting here? Oh, maybe it has to be on, off first. I'm not getting any electrons from here. It didn't feel really plugged in. Let's try again. Nope. Oh, it doesn't feel like it's plugged in. Feels like it's barely plugged in. Oh, that's why. Duh. William's a dummy. He has to put it on the brick. I thought my Anaker power supply was a USB-C one, but it's not. That's okay. We plug it into here. And we go over here. And we put it in here, like so. There we go. Now let's try this thing again. There we go. Now it lit up. Woo. Oh, that's pretty cool. It definitely looks like a guy in a spacesuit. Okay, clouds. Okay. Whoa. Oh, man, you want to stick your finger in there. Huh. Okay. Oh, it's a heat-sensitive button. That is Mount Olympus, I think. No, is it? Forest. uh, too bright for the screen. Definitely from China. Only China would have stuff like this in it. This is pretty neat. Wow. Okay. Oh my. There's our obligatory cat and the fish. Bee. I think that's a bee wing. Whoa, that's one honking big bug. Holy schmoly. Must be one of those, what do you call it? Killer wasps? No, what do they call those things? Yeah, frog. Whoa. That's freaky, the magnifying glass effect. Cute dogs. Ah, the fish tank. Oh, there's a play pause, so... Okay. See, these are fish that you don't have to maintain. No feeding of these fish. Huh. Portraits. Back to the beginning. I like the fish one. Let's go back to the fish one. That was cool. That was pretty good. It's dead quiet too. I'll have to take it into work and put it on my desk. Very relaxing. Maybe it'll help me fix my LDAP problems. Yeah, I'll have to figure out how to load more stuff into here. Cool. Oh, interesting. You take the rim light off. That looks better with the rim light on the fish tank. But boy, you just want to reach into the water. Holy moly. That's really cool. So, off. Oh, okay. You can actually pipe video out from here. Okay, so we have to go to look.glass portrait start to work on stuff. Okay. Yeah, so turning it off by 2. Okay. So, cool. This will be neat. I'm just going to unplug it. And I'm going to need the brick for work. So, we need to take this off, like so. And then this goes like so. And then we put it in the carrying case. Like so. Oh, and the back for these things. So, I don't need that. But we do need this, so we'll just roll it up. And we'll put it in our back here, just like so. That'll work. And then this will go like so. There we go. That should be good enough. Cool. So that's my little hologram. Now I need to make pictures for it. There we go. Oops. Okay. That'll be all for the night. I have one other item, but I couldn't take it home, so I will show it off later this week. It has to do with role playing. And I might actually already have it, but I'm not 100% sure. I have to actually check right now. So I'll let you go.